Good morning, guys. Hi. It's Tuesday. Jana nilivlog kweli, jana siko vlog. I've just made my first delivery of the day. It's Tuesday. Today I don't have anything to do. Kesho ndio I'll be busy. Tomorrow I'm going for my tattoo. My 40th tattoo. Probably 41 or 42 because I want to add like another tattoo. 40th tattoo, and then I have to host Black Stars tomorrow. So, yeah. Acha turudi kwa nyumba. Too awkward. Hi tu. Sorry. Nimechelewa na 10 minutes. Guys.
Si mambo na upo, kitu na take effect na kuenda video. You know it takes effort. You know you have to do these things from a perspective of want, not a perspective of quality.
The streets are just ni messy. So unapata mtu wako na unamshikilia hadi mwisho. Kustart again inakuanga kazi nyingine. Welcome back to the vlog. It's night time and I'm about to go to Black Stars to Leander town. I got my tattoo done. I will probably put the pictures on the screen ama nishaweka depending on how I'm going to arrange the videos in the editing app. But I'm going to Black Stars and I'll see you guys there probably because this is how I look. I have on this dress from one of my reels. It's a short silk dress. I got it from my sister. My hair is on the side. I have these earrings at the thrift. I've done green makeup to match my dress and I'm going to wear clear heels. So yeah, I think I'll see you guys at Black Stars. Peace. Guys, welcome back to the vlog. Editing Lavender here, and today's vlog, I didn't talk much. I don't know why, but I have footage. So from here now going forward, I did updates for the house. Obviously, from the title of the video, from what you've seen, I got a table from Moko. They sell furniture. I think they sell couches and mattresses. They started with mattresses, so now they sell couches, tables, I think carpets, stuff like that. I'll insert their picture on the screen, like when I'm unboxing, like unwrapping the table. I got a table. I got side cabinets, bedside tables from Charles. Charles is my furniture guy, and I usually tag him because I got my TV stand from him, and a lot of you bought the same TV stand from him, and he made bedside tables for me because like he just wanted to appreciate like the customers I brought him, because I've brought him a lot of customers. So yeah, so Charles got me bedside tables. I got a table, and then I also got a fridge. Na manifest bottom freezer fridge. For those who follow me on Instagram and Twitter, you guys know how much I wanted a fridge just to fill my house, like my house. Mnaelewa. So I got a fridge, a Hisense bottom freezer fridge. It is so big. you guys will definitely see upper going forward. And I just want to tell you guys thank you for rocking with me always. You guys have been with me from the time this house had nothing. Like nilikuwa siko na couch, siko na shit. But as time goes by, I'm slowly I need someone to rest my hand. As time goes by, I'm slowly furnishing it, and it's getting fuller and fuller, and in due time, well, sorry, imebaki to, I need bar stools, a carpet, and a mirror, like the big mirror. So my living room is almost like literally done. My bedroom, I want to change my bed, and that's pretty much it. My office room, I just need to do something to it because I'm in my office room right now. So yeah, there's this video I made like earlier kidogo nikisema I'm getting things that I never had in my life growing up just to heal my inner child, and this is one of those videos. We never had a fridge. We had a fridge until like I don't know, I was in class 5, and then poverty struck and we never had a fridge. Like up from Apple going forward. So I got myself a big ass fridge, a fancy table, side cabinets for my bed, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy the vlog from here on. I probably will see you in my vlog, my next one. So enjoy. I'll see you guys next time. And God, he listens. He really does listen. Otherwise, see you guys next time and bye. Mwah. Mbona walikutuma peke yako Aki? Sijui nini niangalie Watchman because naishi pale. Acha niende niwaangalie nione kama kuna mtu anaweza nisaidia. 1 minute.